So we're here in Georgia, and I want to continue with our fall garden. So in this series of the apartment life, we're going to show you how to grow peas from seeds, and we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sidney from the Nakid Gardening channel. In this video, we're going to continue our series with the apartment life of how to grow peas from seeds. Now, we got these seeds from Baker's Creek. These are the King Tut purple peas. And we have a few of our followers that grown these earlier this year. So we're going to try to get a jump ahead. They are frost friendly. And so they can take up a frost. They do best around the time when the temperatures are around 45 to about 85 degrees. And I think we're going to be able to catch some of the cool, warm weather that we have right now here in Georgia. So what I did is I soaked some of the seeds last night and let that way to get the shell nice and soft. And then next what we'll do is we'll fill this this little container box here with some soil, plant our seeds in there about a ½ inch deep, add some fertilizer, and then maybe we'll think about doing a net trellis going up here so that way the peas could climb up. So let's get growing. It's that easy. And what I'm probably going to wind up doing is I'm going to plant these in succession. So I'm going to probably get another one of these, slide this down, and put another one over there. And every 3 weeks, right when this is starting to sprout up, I'll plant another one. So, and I'm going to probably put like a net trellis right here, so that way it could climb above there and everything. And so that way I can constantly just be feeding every so often off of these delicious green peas. So hope you like these type of apartment life series. I'm gonna put a playlist right above here so you can continue following us. Until the next video, let's grow together.
Let me stop. Yeah, it's on purpose.
All right, so we're here in Georgia, and we want to continue on with our gardening, and so we're going to continue